Hello everyone, welcome back to English Booster Channel.
Hi guys, today's topic is very interesting and useful.
Yes, today we will talk about family, daily conversation topics.
You will learn how to talk about your family in real English.
Hi, my name is Emily. I am happy to learn English with you.
And I'm Alex. I will help you speak English confidently.
In this video, you will learn simple and useful sentences about family.
So stay with us and enjoy the conversation.
Today, we are sitting in a park.
Yes, it is a peaceful place.
We are talking about our families.
This is a very common topic in daily life.
You can use these sentences in real conversations.
Listen carefully and try to repeat.
Alex, can you tell me about your family?
Sure, I have a small family.
Who are the members in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
That's nice. What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
That's great.
He is very kind and hardworking.
What about your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
She must be very caring.
Yes, she takes care of everyone.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Is she younger or older?
She is younger than me.
What does she do?
She is a student. Now, tell me about your family.
I have a small and happy family.
How many members are there?
There are 5 members.
Who are they?
My parents, my brother, my grandmother, and me.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, we live together.
What does your brother do?
He is studying in school.
Is he younger than you?
Yes, he is younger.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I spend time every evening.
What do you do together?
We talk, watch TV, and have dinner.
That's wonderful.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help them at home.
That's a good habit.
We should always help our family.
Do you celebrate festivals together?
Yes, we celebrate all festivals.
That must be fun.
Yes, we enjoy a lot.
Who is closest to you in your family?
I am closest to my mother
Why?
because she understands me well. What about you?
I am close to my grandmother.
That's nice.
She tells me stories.
Family is very important.
Yes, family gives us love and support.
We should respect our family members.
Absolutely.
Now, let's understand some important sentences. Sentence: I have a small family, meaning mera chota parivar hai. Usage: to describe your family. Sentence: there are 4 members in my family, meaning mere parivar mein 4 log hain. Usage: to tell number of members. Sentence: my father is a teacher, meaning mere pita teacher hain. Usage: to describe profession. Sentence: I spend time with my family, meaning मैं अपने परिवार के साथ समय बिताता हूँ. Sentence: we celebrate festivals together, meaning हम सब मिलकर त्योहार मनाते हैं.
Listen carefully. I have a small family. Slowly. I have a small family. Repeat after me.
I have a small family. Slowly. I have a small family. Repeat.
Repeat. I have a small family.
My father is a teacher. Slowly. My father is a teacher. Repeat.
Listen carefully. I love my family. Can you repeat it?
I spend time with my family. Repeat it. We celebrate festivals together. Say it again.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
Who are the members?
My parents and my sister.
What do you do together?
We spend time and talk.
Practice speaking about your family every day.
Use these sentences in real life.
Do not be afraid to speak English.
You will improve step by step.
If you liked this video,
Like, share, and subscribe. Emily, do you talk to your family every day?
yes, I talk to them daily.
That's good. What do you usually talk about?
We talk about our day and plans.
That sounds nice.
Do you eat meals together?
Yes, we try to eat dinner together.
That is a good habit.
Yes, it helps us stay connected.
Do you remember your childhood days?
Yes, I have many memories.
What kind of memories?
I used to play with my sister.
That sounds fun.
We also spent time with our parents.
What about your childhood?
I used to listen to stories from my grandmother.
That is beautiful.
Yes, I still remember those stories. Does your family support you?
Yes, they always support me.
That's important.
They encourage me to study.
My family also supports me.
How do they support you?
They motivate me when I feel low.
That's very helpful.
Do you have responsibilities at home?
Yes, I help in small tasks.
Like what?
I clean my room and help in the kitchen.
That's great.
What about you?
I also help my parents.
That is a good habit.
Yes, we should share responsibilities.
What values did your family teach you?
They taught me respect and honesty.
That's important.
They also taught me kindness.
What values did your family teach you?
They taught me discipline and love.
That's wonderful.
What is your favorite family moment?
I like family trips.
That sounds exciting.
We travel together and enjoy.
What about you?
I enjoy festivals with my family.
That must be fun.
Yes, we decorate and celebrate together.
What do you want to do for your family?
I want to make them proud.
That's a good goal.
I want to support them in the future.
What about you?
I want to take care of my parents.
That's very kind. Let's learn some more useful sentences. Sentence: I talk to my family every day. Meaning, मैं रोज अपने परिवार से बात करता हूँ. Sentence: We eat dinner together. Meaning, हम साथ में dinner करते हैं. Sentence: My family supports me. Meaning, मेरा परिवार मेरा साथ देता है. Sentence: I help my parents. Meaning, मैं अपने माता-पिता की मदद करता हूँ. Sentence: I want to make my family proud. Meaning, मैं अपने परिवार को proud feel कराना चाहता हूँ.
Listen carefully. I talk to my family every day. Slowly. I talk to my family every day. Repeat.
We eat dinner together. Slowly. We eat dinner together. Repeat.
Listen carefully. My family supports me. Repeat it.
I help my parents. Repeat.
We talked about our family members.
We shared our daily habits.
We discussed our childhood.
We talked about family support.
We learned useful sentences.
And we practiced English together.
Talk about your family in English every day.
Practice with your friends and family.
Do not feel shy.
Confidence will come with practice.
Keep learning and keep growing.
We are always here to help you.
See you in the next video. Bye!